Just a very quick little tip for you. This is the Hayward Pure Silk, the HBS up here, HBS 25 chlorinator. Just want to let you know these guys have a reset on them. So if you've got something going on a bit funky, for instance, like it's just dropping to 0, won't hold its number, is what was going on with this one. Different things. Pressing and holding the up and down button, I'm going to show you here. You'll hear the motor stop. Pressing and holding the up and the down gives it a reset. So you got to hold it for a bit, and then it'll go through its little numbers, go through its setup. Then you release that, and it has reset itself. Let's give it a second to kick in. We'll get the numbers back up. There we go. 94. That's showing the percentage of what we're asking of the salt water chlorinator. So that's fixed it. So if you've got some little electrical gremlin going on with a Hayward chlorinator, this is a Pool Lab chlorinator in actual fact. So any Pool Lab chlorinator will do the same thing. Press and hold the up and down button. That will give it a reset. That's going to fix a lot of those little electrical gremlin problems. Get you going. There you go. Thanks for watching.